Hello everyone, what is up and welcome back to my channel and happy Vlogmas day 4. Basically today I'm just going to be walking you guys through my everyday makeup routine. This is literally what I do every single day, no matter what, no matter if I'm going out with friends, no matter if I'm filming a video, no matter if I'm going to work, no matter if I'm literally, I don't know, I just do this every day. It's so fast and simple. I definitely wear a lot less makeup now than I really ever did. I don't wear foundation or anything like that. So yeah, I'm basically just going to be walking you guys through what I do every day. All of the products will be linked down below so you guys can check them out if you would like to. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get on into today's video. If you guys are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm uploading every single day for the month of December, so that is 24 videos coming your way this month. If you guys have missed my last videos that I've already posted this month, be sure to go check them out and get caught up. And also, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really just helps my channel and helps it grow, so I'd really appreciate that. Yeah, without further ado, let's just hop on into the video. I also have my little mirror here so I can see what I'm doing, because otherwise. Also, my face looks so white in the camera. I promise you, I don't look this white in my mirror. I am a very pale person, but I don't know. I think it's the lighting that is washing me out. Okay, so first for concealer, I just go in with the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in the shade 15, which is light. I really like this concealer. I think it does a really good job at obviously concealing everything, and it is pretty cheap. Also, this video is combining a combination of both drugstore and high-end products, I guess you could call them, from Sephora. So basically I just put this under my eyes, on my eyelids, and then I just go and just put this a little bit on my nose and any problem areas I have at the time. And I just take this beauty blender. This is a fake beauty blender, beauty sponge, whatever, but does the job. And then I just dab this in. Number one tip is to always make sure that your beauty blender is damp. For years I would always use a dry beauty blender, and I never understood how much of a difference using a damp one actually does. So okay, so after I blend in my concealer, I go in and do my eyebrows. So I just take this NYX eyebrow pencil in chocolate, and I already used all of the product in it. I just use a little brush to brush out my brows, and if I got any concealer or anything in there, just kind of get that out. And what I do instead of using a brow pencil is I take this Tartelette in Bloom Tarte palette, and it is really used up. This is my all-time favorite palette. As you can see, all of these colors are going. Take this little flat headed brush, and I go in with the color Jet Setter, which is just this neutral brown, which matches. It's a little bit lighter than my brows, but it blends in perfectly, because I don't want my brows being super dark just because I am so fair and pale. And basically I just go in and just fill in any of the sparse areas in my brows. Just kind of shape them a little bit with this eyeshadow. And I've been doing this for literally probably a year. I've been using this technique and it works great. So I mean, I simply could just buy a new eyebrow pencil, but this works great and this is what works for me. So that's all I do for my brows. And then for actual eyeshadow, I used to use this shade in the Tarte palette, which is called Funny Girl, but I've used up all of that. So I go in with the Too Faced Natural Eyes palette, and I use the shade Silk Teddy. Again, this palette is pretty much out. So I just go in with a little eye brush and I get Silk Teddy. I just put this all over my lid. This is just a really nice pinky champagne shimmery color. I just think it looks really nice, really good for every day. Now that I have that shade on, I will go back to my Tartelette palette. I go in with this shade right here. It's called Smarty Pants. And this is like my all-time favorite brush. I really wish I knew. I got it at like this like convention in Toronto one time, but I don't know what it's called. It like is very faint. It says something contour 853, but this brush is like literally amazing. I just go in with Smarty Pants and then I just tap off the excess and I just throw this in my crease. Fun fact, if you're just finding me, my old channel username used to be Amy Hearts Makeup 1 back in like the beauty guru days. That was my channel name, Amy Hearts Makeup 1. And then I go in with this color at the top, Charmer. I use the same brush and I just kind of put this under my eyebrow like so. Like I said, this is like such a quick and easy makeup look. We'll go in with this Hoola Benefit bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer. I've like literally used this so many times. And again, I just tap off the excess and I literally put this bronzer all over my face because, like I said, I'm very pale. I just think this bronzer gives you like the perfect little glow without looking like orange. Some bronzers can be very orange. And then obviously I just work it down my neck a bit just because, like I said, I am so fair and I want like everything to kind of look the same. That is that. And then I go in with this Bobbi Brown highlighter in Pink Glow. This is like pretty used up too. I actually just bought another one, so I'm ready to go. And this brush is really good. This is the brush. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Like it was the one that came with the glow kit. This, I swirl it about the highlighter on my nose like this. A really pretty glow. And then I just put it to where the sun would like hit your cheeks and just around your brow. Same thing on this side. And then I just like putting this under my brow again, and then on my cupid's bow. Final step, we are almost done, you guys. Like I said, this is such an easy look. Curl my eyelashes. This is just the Revlon eyelash curler. Just curl them. I get so many questions on what my favorite mascara is, and this is it. It's the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift. I will just go and I will put my mascara on. After I do my mascara and everything, sometimes I get like a little bit of mascara on my eyelids, and what I do is I just take my like brush that I use in my crease and I just kind of close my eyes and just like blend it out. If I was going out, I would put on like a lip gloss. My favorite lip gloss ever is the Buxom Lip Plumping Lip Gloss in White Russian. It's like the best lip gloss ever. I can't recommend it enough. I've literally gone through like 4 or 5 tubes of it. Just for every day, I just use like a little chapstick. So this is just the Nivea Hydro Care. And yeah, that is my everyday makeup look. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. This was just a super quick, easy makeup look that I wanted to share with you guys because I had been getting some questions on like a couple of my favorite products. Like I said, everything will be linked down below for you guys to easily take a look at. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you guys are new. And I will see you guys tomorrow for a brand new video. Bye! You should've seen the